tribute as a school administrator.
Sir, very may harap.
Have a nice day to all of us who are present here joining together in the celebration of the most awaited time
beautiful
in the professional life of Ma'am Grace Nabila Piusca. Her retirement day. Today, I stand before you not only as a school administrator, but a fellow educator and a witness of a remarkable life and service you rendered in the Department of Education. In our profession, we often say that teaching is not just a job. It is a calling. And Ma'am Grace Nabila Piusca has answered that call with dedications. So state class, it has touched generations. Being a school administrator for almost 10 years in Basag Elementary School, it is with my deep admiration and gratitude that I stand here in WWL to bid with you to this remarkable young at heart, a good fellow, and a responsible mother. Someone was not only shaped the minds of our young learners in Basag Elementary School, but also touched the hearts of everyone within our school community. As a school administrator, I have witnessed firsthand how your education uplifts our school vision, your professionalism, collaboration, and quiet leadership have left a lasting legacy. You remind us daily of what it meant to serve with heart, to teach with purpose, and to live with humility. Ma'am Grace Nabila Piusca, your unwavering commitment to excellence, your passion for teaching, and your genuine care to the learners of Basag Elementary School have made a profound impact that words can have hardly expressed. You have been more than an educator. You have been a mentor, a guide, a service of inspiration to both learners and to your educators. Ma'am Grace is a very simple teacher, but has something to share to her co-teachers. And most of all, Ma'am Grace is a productive mother. Kasi may 10 siya na anak, produktibo gid sa kayo.
Productive.
For the information of everyone, 3 of us, our retiree, usually, and Ma'am Jima Artisola Batumalani, Ente Benyet, same man. Same man, same year, that was February 1994. Tama mo guys, no? Kasi kaya ako yung number 5292513, imo 5292512, ang Ma'am Jima Matulong Malaki 5292514. Tama? Oh. We have been together for Basag Elementary School. And it was a long years of knowing each other. Kilala kami si Nina Grace. I always remember that once I designated you to be the official in charge of the school. In my absence, kasi rotation yan sila, rotate yan sila. Your few teachers are not comfortable. Hindi comfortable ang imo mga magpapitisa. Kaya designated ikaw ang magkituwa isa sa school. Ngaman! Ha? Sa totoo lang, si Ma'am Grace, baksing isa na teacher. Baksing ka teacher. Iso.
Ada, bala lagi. Yang balik itu
Baksing
ba?
siya.
Tol ba deh, mag-check
Kaya
ya?
ron, kaya
Ginambalik itu ba?
Oh.
Ginambalik itu.
Tama ba? Hindi ka lang makakita. Oo.
Yang balik itu.
Even ang mga bata sa Basag Elementary School na login sa iya kay isog ni sa teacher. Plus, tako pagit siya.
Ah,
Amo na nato din ang mga bata. Dako timo, dako lawas. Ha? Then time ako balik na ako sa school after my absence. Ang mga teachers
mait, mait.
dahil na sila mag-report sa akin. Dahil
Pero na-
sige, kung ano ang mga
Mait.
nakatabo sa wala ako.
Okay, good.
No, kinasulit nila si Ma'am Grace. But as a school administrator, I always stand as a mediator. Referee. To my co-teachers. Amo ako sila. Hindi ako one-sided na school administrator. Pero sa himalo sa tanan, namin doon si Ma'am Grace kay Naaman, damo ikaw matunan, ma-learn. Kaya sa totoo lang, no, kumpiyansa lang ka mo, si Ma'am Grace, brainy niya sa teacher. Yes. Ay, sa totoo Ma'am Grace, brainy sa teacher. Kari, tama po sila kay nasa kaya nga upod, na tamad lang siya. No? Tamad lang siya. Pero brainy niya sa teacher. Kaya naman, garang-anak siya ang English niya. Gatulungan kami siya sa mga teachers, garang-anak ang English niya, sa mga pronounce. Hindi kasi na. Tama ang English na. Hindi ko na English ba? Kahit heretic, bakit kayo siya? Kahit heretic, bakit siya? Kaya nga naman, hindi na kami sinimatiis.
Yes.
Kaya nga naman, kung makakakili siya sa pinagpila,